So in today's lecture of PD, this is the chapter 1, first order partial differential equation, lecture 6. Topic is Euler's equation for a homogeneous function. Now let us see Euler's equation for a homogeneous function. Okay, this is Euler's function for homogeneous, Euler's equation for a homogeneous function. Okay, a function f of x comma y is said to be homogeneous function of x and y of degree n if it is satisfies f of lambda x comma lambda y is equal to lambda raised to power of n into f of x comma y. So it should satisfy this condition. Okay, next page. Let z is equal to f of x comma y be a homogeneous function of x and y of degree n. Then by Euler's theorem, the function f of x comma y satisfies the first order PD, that is partial differential equation. X into fx plus y into fy is equal to nf. Okay, so the function f of x satisfies the first order PD, this one. Okay, and this is equal to sign. Okay, here equal to sign. So next page, let us see note. In each of example on surface of revolution and functional dependence, which we have done in the previous lectures, these two examples we have done already. We have produced a PD by eliminating an arbitrary function, right? So now consider a two-parameter family of surfaces. Z is equal to f of x comma y comma a comma b, and take this as equation 1. Okay, consider this as equation 1 on differentiating with respect to x and y. Now we will differentiate this with respect to x and y. Okay, now p is equal to what? First I am differentiating this with respect to x. So what is p? P is nothing but dou z by dou x, right? Is equal to p, and here it is what? Dou z by dou y is equal to q. Now dou z by dou x is equal to p, which is equal to f of x, because I am differentiating this with respect to x, right? So x comma y comma a comma b, and take this as equation 2. Q is equal to, now I am differentiating this with respect to y. So what is q? Dou z by dou y is equal to q is equal to fy of x comma y comma a comma b, and take this as, consider this as equation 3. Now what you all have to do is, we can solve two of the above three equations to find a and b in terms of x, y, p and q. This would be possible provided that the metric, now metric is what? Fa, fx into a, fy of a, fb, fxb, fyb. Okay, and take this as equation 4. Now this is what is a rank 2 by the implicit is the rank is of rank 2 by the implicit function theorem. Substituting a and b so obtained in the third equation will usually lead to a relation of the form f of x comma y comma z comma p comma q is equal to 0, which is the first order PD. Okay, now this is the topic under Euler's equation for homogeneous function. So after this with this I am done with today's lecture. After this I will be doing some examples on it, which is very important, and thanks for watching.